parcels. Unfortunately, got immunized too soon. For the 26th of May. Stick is set here. It's on Engelbrekts väg 63-F in Sollentuna, Stockholm County, Sweden. Built in 1998 with no pictures, 3 floors, super relic. December 85784. University is 30 persons, not just 3 persons.
Yeah.
This was probably the beginning of 1998.
Yeah.
Very fresh, and I don't understand that myself.
Yeah. So.
So we have to deposit C.
Yeah.
And also calculate 60 stages C, which I have to film on the 4th of May, hopefully.
Yeah.
But we'll try the other 3 now. So.
Yeah.
At least these packages ADE now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, but it Pakistan is maintained by City His.
And so today is 26th of April, 27th of April 2025.
Yeah.
But this also takes time to do.
Yeah.
These are really difficult to get.
Yeah.
Yeah, this helps here.
Yeah.
It didn't help in Stegis. And I love this house.
Same here.
That's it.
That's